Okay, so mass communication, communication with a large number of people at the same time is called mass communication. So large number of people तक जो चीज़ें जाएं, that is called mass communication. जैसे न्यूज़पेपर हो गया, टेलीविज़न हो गया, रेडियो, और ये सब क्या है, एक मास कम्युनिकेशन है कि हम एक चीज़ के द्वारा कई जगह या कई लोगों तक बात पहुंच रही है. डैश इज़ अ मीन्स ऑफ पोस्टल कम्युनिकेशन. सो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे पोस्ट बॉक्स. ठीक है, नो सॉरी, हाँ, पोस्ट कार्ड्स. फैक्स इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ telecommunication. Dash is a means of mass communication. You can write TV. Dash delivers letter to the address written on the envelope. So postman delivers the letter. Okay, now come to the modern means of communication. Communication and means of communication have changed over the years. Today, communication is faster and cheaper than ever before. The modern means of communication include mobile phones and emails. ओके, सो जो कम्युनिकेशन है आजकल आपको सब पता ही है कि जो मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है कितना बदल गया है. पोस्ट कार्ड से आज हम टेलीफोन्स पे आ गए हैं, वीडियो कॉलिंग्स पे आ गए हैं, और आज तो इन टुडेज़ टाइम इट्स वेरी चीप एंड वेरी ईजी. बहुत आप आजकल तो बच्चा डूइंग वीडियो कॉलिंग, भले वो कितने भी डिस्टेंस में हो वो इंसान, है ना. सो you can see the change. The modern means of communication include mobile phones and emails. So जो modern means of communication है, पहले तो पोस्ट कार्ड्स होते थे, आज modern means में मोबाइल फ़ोन्स आ गए हैं, ईमेल्स आ गए हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल्स आ गए हैं. ईमेल का फुल फॉर्म इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल्स है, एंड इज सेंड थ्रू इंटरनेट. जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल्स होते हैं, ईमेल्स होते हैं, भी सेंड थ्रू इंटरनेट. वी नीड कंप्यूटर. हम अगर हमें ईमेल सेंड करना है तो वी नीड कंप्यूटर कनेक्शन, we need computer internet connection. Otherwise we can also send emails through mobile, पर उसमें भी हमारा इंटरनेट डेटा होना चाहिए, then we can only send those. Through this modern means we can communicate with people in any part of the world. तो अगर ये होगा तो we can communicate with any part of the world. In earlier times the people used to tie letters to the legs of pigeon. These trained pigeons were called carrier pigeon. They flew to and fro on specific routes to deliver letters. So पहले तो लोग pigeon यूज़ करते थे to send letters, है ना. जो भी उनको मैसेज भेजना होता था, they used to tie the letter to the legs of pigeons and they used to send it like that. Now let us write down the names of some newspapers that are circulated in your city. That is very easy, very very easy. We have Patrika and Nayi Duniya and TOI, Times of India. So ये तो मैंने बताया है, आप भी अपनी मर्जी से जो आपको लगता है कि these are the newspaper are circulated in our city, which is like जो आपके घर पे आता है, you can also write that name also. ठीक है. Now come to the true and false. So communicate and means of communication have not changed over the years. So this is the false. It is changed over the years. Mobile phone is a modern means of communication. That is very true. Nowadays everyone is using mobile phone. We can communicate with people in any part of the world through modern means of communication. That is also very true. Emails, communication, and the video calls we are doing, we are communicating in any part of the world. We can call anywhere just through this modern means of communication. So students, then now we will talking without speaking. People who cannot hear or speak can communicate with the help of signs. This is called sign language. They can also understand what others are saying by their lip movements. Okay, so ये हमने I think second third chapter में पढ़ा है that people who cannot speak, they use different language. People who cannot see, they use different language. So there is a sign language. People who cannot speak, that is called sign language. And they can also understand your things by reading your lips, है ना, जैसे आपके lips move करते हैं. एंड डांसर्स भी होते हैं जो अपने facial expression से और मुद्रा से they tell you a story, है ना. Now match the following. So sad is this. No, so sad is this. Then crying is this, and the happy is this. Huh. Now key terms, communication and internet. Now अभी आपको key terms भी, this is your homework that आपको actually key terms भी अब याद करना start करना है. Okay. After completing the chapter, now you know communication enables to us to know each other. Through हमें एक दूसरे के बारे में पता चलता है through communication. There are various means of communication. बहुत सारे means of communication होते हैं. In the past, people trained pigeons to deliver their letters. पास में लोग जो pigeons हैं वो deliver करते थे letters. Common means of communications are postal communication, telecommunication, and mass communication. So these are the common means of communication through which we are communicating. Then we have page number 125. Radio, television, newspaper, magazine, telephones are same means of communication. Yes, these are mass communication. Okay, mobile phones and emails are the modern means of communication. This is the thing which you have learned. Dancers are use mudras to convey message. Dancers जो होते हैं mudras use करते हैं. They use facial expression to tell you a story or to convey a message. People who cannot hear or speak, जो लोग सुन नहीं सकते, बोल नहीं सकते, they use sign language to communicate. So students, we have completed this chapter. Today you will get the question answers also. So have a nice day, and soon, and only one chapter is left now. Poetry is the chapter which is omitted. So then we will do a lot of revision to complete our thing of this session, and there will be an exam. So all the best for that, and have a nice day everyone.